the institutions of the Pacific, that intergovernmental organizations that provides for the participation of territories as either associate members or full members, in some cases observers. But in the case of the SPREP, obviously the issue of fisheries is particularly important. And in fact, I just read an article as I've been here in the press in relation to the concerns of many of the fisher persons here who have had to address to deal with their craft amidst certain regulations that they may not have agreed with, and certain regulations that may not be under their control. It's ironic that as close as distant as we are geographically, we are also very close in many ways. Our fishermen on the island of St. Croix are having a very similar problem in terms of dealing with the ability to fish within waters which were heretofore waters controlled by the territorial government, but the federal government took a unilateral decision at the end of the Clinton administration to take over those waters and limit. So as a result, they're limited in terms of the ability to fish by the persons whose livelihood depends upon that. But it's very important not only for the substantive issue of fish or its economic development, as in the case of the Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific, a lot of technical assistance associated with that. It also provides for the development of capacity. It provides for persons who are involved with those agencies from the various territorial governments an exposure that they would not ordinarily get. And the idea of moving into a more autonomous status, which is essentially an evolution, is to have trained and experienced persons to be able to engage their counterparts from the other countries and territories of the region in order